go. Stay locked and loaded, y'all. Bars. Talking. Bullshit is bullshit. Bars. Action speaks louder than words. You hear me? Hey, you don't want to fuck with me? Don't fuck with me. Let's go. Man,
At
I
GNC,
told y'all,
nutrition.
man, say y'all, have a good day, y'all. No cap, man. You hear me? Yeah, man, we ain't playing no games, man. You hear me? I'm gonna keep it popping. You hear me? Yeah, whenever y'all come to my channel, don't worry, man. I'm gonna keep it popping. I'm gonna keep it myself. Don't even worry, man. New shit coming. You already know, man. Tell these haters, you know what I'm talking about. I can't see without these glasses now. You hear me? Yeah, I can't see no more. You hear me? Yeah. Oh shoot, I can't see nothing. Lord, let me. You hear me? Oh, there I go. Yeah, I can see that. Say y'all, everybody have a great day now. You hear me? No cap now. Y'all be good now. You hear me? Keep dropping them videos. You hear me? Stay alive. You hear me? Cause yeah, from say y'all, all this is from cooking with love, y'all. Be yourself. Pop out right now. You dig? Man, say we ain't playing no guys. You hear me? Yeah. So I'm trying to let everybody know. You hear me? Keep up the good work. You dig, man? I'm not changing. You hear me? I'm just spreading this shit out. You hear me? Yeah. For New Year, y'all need to make out another channel. You hear me? Just to be your damn self and show you that, hey, you did it one time, you can do it again. You hear me? They can't stop us. And be real on the beat. Don't make no goofy ass, boo boo ass channel. You know, to my old burping ass, cuz ass video. You hear me? I want that popping. But it's you. Don't even worry. As long as you popping your shit in yourself, y'all say keep it popping. You hear me? Yeah, whenever y'all want to come to a real ass channel, come on over real man. I'm gonna pop out. These haters be made, and I laugh at them. Y'all watch me now, bitch. Yeah, that's what y'all do to them haters. When you hear me? When I know nobody will come in, why they in the chat to do this? Cause we know you watch it. You can't do this shit that we do. You hear me? Yeah, you can't do this shit. You can't do it. No, you can't do it. Don't worry. Stay your ass in the house. Janitory ass niggas don't say shit. Yeah, what they say that out Leon. What that Leon? Leon ass niggas, you know, janitory ass niggas better not say a bitch ass thing. They better say shit. They better not say shit. You better just watch me and be good. And be good. You hear me? Bars. We ain't playing no game. You hear me? You can say what you want, but I can still pop the fuck out. Bars. Everybody be saying what time is it? Oh, but yeah, y'all. I'm not playing no game. Everybody keep it popping, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Everybody say, be yourself, man. You are your channel, y'all. You hear me? You are your channel, y'all. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? So everybody say, keep this shit in your head, y'all. Keep it popping. No cap. Don't be no one hit wonder. You hear me? Don't be no one hit wonder. That was last year type shit. You got to do better this year. I'm just saying. Cause YouTube say they got boys say a couple of these youngsters right now, they killing the game. You hear me? You hear me? So say it's going down. Just letting you know, man. I'm just letting you know, man. Say some of these ballers out here acting bad. They get like 150 subscribers a day. So she they coming on up. You hear me? That should be some motivation. Yeah, some of y'all ain't doing nothing. Ooh, if I could do it with a couple, ooh, and some of them doing these numbers in their sleep. Bars, my bros. Some of my bros doing numbers in their sleep. You hear me? They sleep and they should just doing numbers. Bars. You hear me? Ooh, some of these haters ain't doing shit.